Driveway apron, which is going to have a camber or a hill to divert the water to the street or into the arroyo, because the water is going in and washing out his landscape. So we're going to make a concrete pad for him to drive in and out, but with the hump, that way it diverts the water. This broom creates texture, so that way it doesn't create ice when it freezes. So that way your tires don't spin. Project complete, thanks to Cecil P. Jenkins.
No comment.
Just got into Seattle. We've got a very action-packed day for tomorrow. A lot of stuff to get done. I'm coming in to move in to a place up here, so that'll be actually here in a little bit, probably. Finally, as you guys saw in some previous videos, we had gotten that pickup truck. Well, it's still sitting on the lot, the dealership's lot. I bought it 2 months ago, so it's about time to just to get it picked up. You know, we've been super busy back in New Mexico, and I haven't had a chance to get up here. So I'm gonna go pick that up for now. We'll try to get as much stuff as we can taken care of.
That will actually be as cancer and make the whole plant die eventually. If the, what's it called? If the roots get air and it dries out, it will kill the plant. So even if you have rabbits going into your roots, it will kill the plant because it gets dried. Yeah. Today we are shopping. It's a Sunday. Got to Seattle, moved in to the new place, shopping around, getting some furniture and stuff for it. I couldn't help but stop at this nice view behind me. Man, it's beautiful, beautiful. A little bit of rain, it's typical, not too bad. But we're gonna go back shopping and see if we can go pick up that company truck. Just picked up the truck from the decal guy here in Washington. Looks really awesome. He did a good job. Really clean. So now it's